Hey guys, Angelina here. In this video is going to be an easy yoga sequence. So grab your yoga mats, grab a bottled water, and let's do some yoga. Standing tall in Tadasana. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, release. Inhale, expand your rib cage. Exhale, pull your belly in. Inhale. Give yourself permission to surrender and let go in your practice. Chair pose. Inhale, bend your knees. Exhale, reach your arms up high. Take a deep breath in, lengthen your spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, walk your hands forward, step your feet back. Exhale, Chaturanga. Lower yourself all the way down to your mat. Then inhale, downward facing dog. Shift your hips back, allow your head to hang heavy. Then bring yourself back down to Chaturanga. Give yourself a push-up. Then downward facing dog. Warrior one, step your right foot forward. Lengthen your left foot to the back of your mat. Inhale, raise your arms up. Telescope your ribs. Exhale, pull your belly in. Take a few breaths. Bend your right knee. Bring your hands to the prayer namaste at your chest. Moving into twisted warrior. Bring your left elbow over your right knee. Take a deep breath in, lengthen your spine, tuck your tailbone. Exhale, unwind yourself. Inhale, extended triangle, straighten your right leg. Shift your right hand down to your right shin, left arm up high in the sky. Inhale, expand your rib cage. Exhale, feel for that line of energy down the left side of your body. Inhale, shift yourself back into downward facing dog. Exhale, swing your left leg to the top of your mat. Back into warrior one. Raise your arms up high, bend your left knee, straighten your right leg to the back of your mat. Deep breath in. Exhale, twisted warrior. Right elbow over left knee. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, release. Back into extended triangle. Straighten your left leg. Raise your right arm. Drop your left arm down to your left shin. Inhale. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Inhale, low lunge. Shift your right foot forward, your left knee down to your mat. Take a deep breath in, raise your arms. Exhale, tuck your tailbone. Allow yourself to let go of struggle. Inhale, bring your hands down to your heart center in prayer namaste. Twisted low lunge. Rest your left elbow over your right knee, twisting to the right side of your mat. Exhale, release. Inhale, place your left palm on your mat. Raise your right palm up high. Low lunge, chest opener. Inhale into your heart center. Exhale, place both palms on your mat. Shift yourself into downward facing dog. Low lunge, shift your left foot forward, lower your right knee down to your mat. Inhale, raise your arms up high, expand your rib cage. Exhale, lunge forward. Feel for that line of energy down the right side of your hip flexors. twisted low lunge. Inhale, place your right elbow over your left knee. Exhale, pull your belly in. Inhale, feel for that line of energy down the left side of your body. Exhale, release. Bring yourself to tabletop, moving into the cat-cow posture. Inhale, arching your back, chin high to the sky. Exhale, rounding your back, chin to chest. Do this 3 times. Now slowly shift yourself onto your sit bones. Extend both feet to the top of your mat. Take a deep breath in. Raise your arms up high. Exhale, seated forward fold. Marichyasana. Inhale, bend your left knee. Exhale, twist your body to the left side of your mat, placing your right elbow over your left knee and your left hand at your tailbone. Take a few deep breaths. Exhale, release, seated forward fold. Inhale, now switch to the other side. Bend your right knee and place your left elbow over your right knee and your right arm at your tailbone. Inhale, breathe into your heart center. Exhale, pull your belly in. Now unwind yourself, bring yourself back into a seated forward fold. Then lay on your back on your mat, moving into bridge pose. Inhale, lift your hips up high. Exhale, lengthen your spine. Take a few deep breaths. And slowly tuck your tailbone, lower your upper back. Tuck your tailbone again, lower your lower back. And bring yourself all the way back down onto your mat, bending your knees, moving into thread the needle. Place your left ankle over your right knee. Reach in and pull that knee towards your chest. Inhale and allow your pelvis to relax. Exhale, release and switch to the other side, placing your right ankle over your left knee and pulling that knee towards your chest. Bound angle pose. Place both soles of the feet together and allow your knees to relax to the side of your mat. Exhale and surrender to the moment. Now moving into our final posture of Savasana. Extend both feet to the top of your mat. Inhale, reach your arms to the back of your mat. Exhale, bring your hands to the side and allow your body to relax, relax, and relax. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video sequence. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button, and I'll see you guys next video.